Deploying a project on Netlify is a straightforward process that allows you to host your website or web application easily. Here's how to deploy a project on Netlify. Sign into Netlify. Visit Netlify and sign in with your existing account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the necessary steps. Start a new site. On the Netlify dashboard, click New Site from Git or Deploy Site to begin the deployment process. Connect your repository. Select the repository where your project code is stored. Netlify supports GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, and other sources. Link your preferred repository to Netlify. Choose a branch. Select the branch that contains your latest code changes. Configure build settings. Netlify automatically detects build settings like the build command and publish directory. You may customize these if needed. Build command. Typically, it's something like npm run build or yarn build. Publish directory. The directory where your build files are located, usually public / or this /. Deploy your site. Click Deploy Site to start the deployment process. Netlify will build and publish your site. Access the live site. Once deployment is complete, Netlify generates a unique URL for your site. Visit this URL to view your live website.